Whether you're competing with millions of people around the world or preparing for movie night, Optima's latest projectors come stacked with the latest state-of-the-art, low input lag, and color performance that will take your viewing experience to the next level, delivering consistent performance no matter the occasion or space. Optima is here to guarantee a more immersive experience. Optima. Experience more.
Hi, my name is Carlos. I'm part of the product management team here at Epson, and I'm very excited to introduce to you our latest member to the 4K Pro UHD family, the Home Cinema 3800. What's exciting about this product is that it supports Epson's 4K Pro UHD technology, and what that means is razor-sharp, clear, detailed images. This is not the typical one-chip DLP projector. This is a true 3-chip, 3 LCD projector. And you get 3,000 lumens of brightness, both color and white brightness, for a great HDR experience. We fully redesigned the lens system with a multi-element glass structure to support the 4K picture. You can easily adjust the zoom from here and the focus too. And you also find a great feature, which is the lens shifting. You can shift the picture 60% on the vertical axis, up and down, and you can also shift the picture left and right 24% on each side. This projector has HDMI 2.0 ports, 2 of them, support 18 gigabits per second, and that means 4K at 60 hertz. So you can connect all of the latest streaming devices and latest gaming consoles to it and enjoy that 4K experience. The projector also has a serial port and a trigger out port, so you can connect it to a more sophisticated system. It has an audio out port to connect external speakers. We also put a USB port to power your preferred devices, like streaming devices or even your phone. And there's something you don't see here, which is Bluetooth compatibility. You can connect wirelessly and easily your headphones or speaker systems, and it also supports aptX. Another cool feature about this projector is that you have built-in speakers. So that means out-of-the-box performance with 2 stereo speakers, 10 watts each. The latest trend in picture quality is HDR, and now we're fully supporting HDR10. And it's not just supporting it and processing it the right way, giving you the flexibility to adjust the way you want it, but also the fact that the projector drives 3,000 lumen of color brightness allows you to actually enjoy that picture in the best possible way. Build quality in this projector is just amazing. You take it in your hands and you realize how much engineering and how much attention to detail we've put into this design. It's just beautiful. So one reason you would want to get this projector is because this is probably the best picture quality, the most impressive one that you would get for the money.